What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be working on the Supra again. Last time I finished it, I got it running, but I need to install a boost controller. I don't have a boost controller, so I'm getting like 7 pounds of boost. The car's capable of 14-15 pounds, so I'm gonna be installing a boost controller, and I also have to install a shifter. The one it has, it's the original, and it's kind of loose already. It has a bunch of play, so I'm gonna be installing a boost controller. I'm gonna see how much boost I'm getting. It was reading 7 pounds of boost, and the car should make somewhere around 14. I have a 7-pound spring, so I gotta install a boost controller. So I'm gonna drive it right now and see how much boost I'm getting, and then I'm gonna bring it back, and I'm gonna bring it back and install the boost controller and the shifter and see how it runs. I still got a couple of other things to the car, but for now I want to take care of those too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive it right now. I think it's on like 7 pounds because it's just connected directly to the wastegate, and the spring is like 7-pound spring. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive it, then I'm gonna come back, install the boost controller, the short shifter. I'm gonna set it to like 14-15 pounds, and I'm gonna drive it again and see the difference. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drive it around the block. I just want to make sure it's giving me the 7 pounds, and also I want to compare the difference from 7 pounds to 14-15 pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this manual boost controller. It works really great. I've used it before. I think I have one on that car, and I'm also gonna be using this eBay shifter. It's a short shifter, and it's a Chinese one, but it works really great. I have one on that car as well, and I love it. So I'm gonna be installing this right now, and this is the hardest one, and then I'm gonna install the controller. So let's get started. Okay, so I got it started already. I started removing the this right here. This is not supposed to come off, but oh well, I guess someone broke it. Oh, no bolts. It's broken. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this off. this off. Okay, so this whole thing comes off. I'm gonna put it on the side, deal with it later. Now I'm gonna install a new shifter. Okay, so it's in. Now I'm gonna tighten it. I'm gonna try to do it evenly. So now I'm gonna put everything back together and see how it works. Okay, so I'm almost done putting this together. I'm just gonna So I'm gonna finish this right now, and I'm gonna go to the boost controller. Okay, so I'm done installing the shifter. Okay, you guys can see the difference on the shifter. A lot less play. So now I'm gonna install the boost controller. So let me step outside. I don't think I need any of these tools. I'm not gonna need any of these tools. This is the old shifter right here. So let me go outside and do the boost controller. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust it. Once I get it adjusted, then I'm gonna show you guys how it runs with 15 pounds. I'm gonna leave it at 15, see how it runs. If I don't like it, then I'll bring it down to 14, 13, but we'll start at 15. Okay, so I set the car at 13 pounds. I think I'm gonna leave it at 13 pounds because it's pretty fast the way it is with 13 pounds. And honestly, I don't want to really max it out, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive it right now. Like I said, it's set at 13 pounds. smoking right now. Getting really hot. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I got the brakes pretty hot. They were smoking right now. They're not smoking anymore. So I'm gonna let the turbo cool down for a little bit. I'm gonna let it idle, let it cool down, and I'm gonna drive it around and see what it does. But that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching.